Saturn and Jupiter are inching very close towards each other. Jupiter is slowly moving towards Shani. The degree of Jupiter is slowly increasing and it is catching up the movement of Saturn. Soon on 21st of December, you will see in the sky a double planet transit. Saturn and Jupiter will be in the line of sight conjunction. That means in the sky you will see Saturn and Jupiter very close to each other. This is a rare phenomena and it is happening in the zodiac of Capricorn. I have told this in my earlier videos what it means, and I have repeatedly told that this is an experience, this is a learning through experience. That means the week now and maybe a couple of months from now onwards, you have to understand that the experience that you will get from life has to be a unique one. It will give you a new dimension, it will change your attitude, it will change the way you perceive life, and it is going to change the way you think about or you know the reality. Yes, you may get some you may see some harsh reality. You may have to face harsh truth, you may have to hear those things, but that is necessary. Things may be slightly difficult, but that is necessary. All what matters right now is what can you learn from this transit, because what can you learn from your experience, good, bad, best, worst, everything has to be recorded as a textbook experience. You have to write down all your experience and understand what have you learned from it, because the more you learn, the more the purpose of the transit will be fulfilled and the purpose of the transit in your horoscope will be fulfilled. Check where your Saturn and Jupiter is falling. Is it falling in the 2nd house? Is it falling in the 9th house? Or is it falling in the 11th house? Is it in the 6th house or in the 10th house? Depending upon which house the transit is happening, you will mostly learn from that house. If it is happening in the 2nd house, you will learn through experiences in the family. You will learn through experiences of money. Your value system will change. If it is happening in the 6th house, it means you will learn through the attributes of the 6th house, the Aribhav. Some enemies may come. You may find out that your friends whom you always trusted are actually the real enemies. Or there is a real enemy, or the person whom you thought he is your enemy has actually helped you. These kind of drastic changes in the life are bound to happen for every one of us, and we are witnessing one of the most what you can say, blessed transit when Saturn and Jupiter, the dharma and the karma are together, are working together. It's a strong unity and they are not anymore separate from each other. They were never separate from each other, but this time they will show us what real dharma is. If we follow our duty, whatever our duty is as an individual, as a citizen, as a human, in this planet, in this country, in our home, for ourselves, us soul in the body, there are different perception of reality, there are different planes of existence. But if we follow that, if we understand that, and if we do and fulfill our duty, the transit of Saturn and Jupiter is going to bless us with ultimate fruits, because Saturn defines the fruits of the karma. Karmanyeva adhikaraste ma phaleshu kadachana is what Lord Krishna has taught us. This teaching came in Mahabharata. So this is the Mahabharata of our life, where the Mahabharata of the Kartavya and Mahabharata of the Dharma is happening within us. And this, the fight within, is going to act like a Samudra Manthan. Grind yourself, learn from your past mistakes and find out who you truly are, because now is the time to know yourself.